How to fix if your Go2 Bank application is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are having troubles on your Go2 mobile banking application, here are some processes to fix it. Step 1 is to restart the app. So first of all, close all of the application that is running on background and launch the app again to check if the issue is resolved. If it is not, ensure that your app is updated. For this, visit Play Store or App Store, search for the Go2 Bank app and update it if newer version is available. This helps to fix the bugs and improve the functionality as well. Another thing that you can try is to restart the app. Reboot your device and try again. Also ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the issue resolves. Likewise, another step would be to clear the cache and data. Go to Settings and then scroll down until you find Apps. Once you have found the app, go to the Go2 Bank app and then tap on the option of Storage and Cache. From there, you can see the option of Clear Cache. Tap on it. Likewise, you can also clear the app data. However, clearing data may also log you out. However, if none of these solutions work, you will have to contact the customer support for further help. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.